Hi, how is going? Adam here. Today we're gonna make a super cheap wireless charger which is very easy to do and we're gonna cost just around $4 to make. You'll find links with all the items used in the video description. Let's get started. For this project we will need just two main parts. First one is this QI charging circuit board, which I found it on Amazon for just around $3. It has a mini USB port and a maximum charging distance of 5mm. And for housing, I will use this mirror which I had it remain from an old project. You feel free to use whatever you want. First thing I will need to remove is the mirror from the housing. To make it easier, I will use a heat gun to warm up the glue and slowly remove it. Now that is removed, I have to modify the interior in order to accommodate the circuit. For that, I will use a Dremel and slowly take out the excess material. For our charger to work, we have to keep in mind the maximum charging distance of 5mm, so I will need to sand a couple of millimeters off its thickness. After that, a good thing to do is to test fit our charging board and make sure that it's flush with the surface and mark the spot where you want the micro USB to be placed. To make a hole through that, I use a thin drill bit. Start with a small hole and work your way from there. Try to remove as little material as you can. After I made sure that everything fits and aligns, I used 50 grit sandpaper to sand the exterior in order to prepare it for painting. For spray paint, in almost all my projects I use Cobra brand. It has a very nice and smooth finish and the colors are vibrant. I also painted the USB cable, thing that turned out to be not as easy as I thought, but it turned out nicely. From here, the sky is the limit with what you can do. I'm a fan of splatter effects, so I will go with that, but you feel free to go with what color scheme you want. The paint looks great and the cable turned out nice as well. After it dried up completely, we are ready to glue it in place. Plug the cable and secure it with some hot glue. Hold it until the glue is set and we are done. Our wireless charger is finished and we are ready to test it. It should work with all QI enabled devices. By all means, it's not a fast charger, but it will fully charge my phone in about 2 hours, which I think is about the same as the normal one. If you check the market for wireless chargers, you will see that it might be worth it to do it yourself. It took me something around an hour to make and just under $4. And with that we ended up this video. A very cheap and easy project that it shouldn't take you more than a couple of hours to do. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. If you want to see more projects like this, have a look on some of my other ones, you might gonna find something you like. Thanks for watching and I'm gonna see you next time.